Hey brave ones, if you're on social media then you've surely heard of MrBeast. From his insane stunts to his viral success, MrBeast has been dominating not only YouTube but social media in general for the past few years. In this video I will be showcasing the strategies that MrBeast has been using in order to absolutely crush social media and gain millions of views/dollars every single month. This video will be broken down in 3 stages, covering the success of MrBeast from his beginning to his viral growth. So no matter if you're a beginner or an expert, you will be able to learn a thing or two. Make sure you like this video and check the description below for all the timestamps. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the value. MrBeast aka Jimmy has been on YouTube for more than 8 years, and in his creator lifespan he has produced more than 700 videos. But throughout the vast majority of his career, that means hundreds and hundreds of videos, he hadn't seen any success. He is the 𝗨𝘀𝗲𝗂 of YouTube, finding hundreds and hundreds of video formats which didn't work out for him until he found his success recipe. Okay, so what is the takeaway from this? Well, we don't know just how many MrBeasts out there quit too soon. So if you're just starting out your social media presence, you have to be consistent and be mindful that it might take hundreds of tries for you before you struck gold. But after that, everything will be worthwhile. Which leads us to the next point, about experimentation. Jimmy tried hundreds of video formats before he found out what gained him viral success. You don't have to come up with a unique idea from the get-go. You can play around with different formats and experimentations until you find what fits you the best as a content creator. For example, Jimmy went through Minecraft gameplay videos, then he went into comedy skits and short films until he found what worked for him. Experimentation is one of the most crucial content creator skills, no matter if you're an expert who has already secured his position in his market or an upcoming content creator. You have to keep experimenting, you have to keep learning. In the early days, you have to experiment because that gives you information of what type of videos your audience will enjoy. And when you already have established yourself, you have to experiment in order to keep things changing and entertaining for your audience. Just like in this video, I am experimenting with different content formats. Before moving to the most crucial part in the career of MrBeast, I want to ask you to go in the comment section and leave a comment if you enjoyed these breakdowns and if you'd like me to cover someone else in the next video. The turning point in the career of Jimmy was insanity plus amplification. The reason MrBeast managed to succeed was because he did something so insane that he basically forced you to pay attention. On screen right now you are seeing just a few of the videos that managed to turn MrBeast from the ordinary YouTube creator into the extravagant powerhouse of a YouTube creator he is right now. This fresh type of content forced people to want to watch it and share it with others because they couldn't have seen it anywhere else. But what Jimmy did afterwards was even more impressive. He saw the results that these videos were getting and he decided to absolutely amplify them through the roof. He continued to push the envelope what people thought was possible on YouTube and continued to deliver new and fresh content ideas. And this is exactly what made MrBeast from an ordinary YouTube creator in the household name of YouTube. So what's the takeaway from this? Well, you don't have to copy MrBeast style of insanity video because this would defeat the whole purpose, and there already are people trying to do the same thing. Instead, what you should be trying to do is put a fresh pair of glasses and try to look for opportunities in your market. What are some of the things that people haven't done in your market and you can innovate on? For example, I could have made this video you are watching right now on a social media trend topic. For example, covering some of the trends you could be utilizing in your content in order to win. But I didn't do that, obviously. Instead, I went into the approach of covering someone else's success story because I believe that this is huge opportunity in the social media marketing space. And if you had to take a guess on which thumbnail and title would perform the best, I believe that from these two choices you would definitely choose this one. The third stage of MrBeast's journey is diversification. This is covering the future of MrBeast. As of the time of recording this video, MrBeast aka Jimmy has more than 9 billion views on his main channel. The chances of his main channel going down are close to zero. Having said that, he is still finding new ways to innovate and spread his social media presence through diversification. He has created a total of 3 YouTube channels: his main channel, his gaming channel, and his YouTube Shorts channel. And on top of that, he has diversified his social media presence to basically be present on every single social media platform, plus the upcoming ones such as Clubhouse, making sure that he not only strengthens his brands and attracts new users to his YouTube channel, but even if for some reason his YouTube career ends up dead, he has the ability to still reach his audience through the different social media channels he has created for himself. The MrBeast team obviously knows what they're doing, but we have to remember that the 50-man team behind the MrBeast channels, as well as the millions of dollars of spending, weren't started that way. On the contrary, everyone can become their version of MrBeast if they have the consistency, the determination, as well as some of the other factors we discussed in this video. So no matter where in your journey you are on, if you have humble beginnings such as myself, you can make it out there on social media. And if you'd like help doing that, make sure you like this video and watch these 2 videos which will help you dominate social media.